You all know that in the last class we were discussing the chapter. It is an algebraic expression. The power of the variable involved is non-negative integer. What is that? What it is? What do you call an algebraic expression involving the variable whose power is non-negative integer? Prithvi is telling, yes, you are right, polynomial. Prashant sir, unmute them. It is polynomial.
Polynomial.
Sir, you are muted.
Unmute your audio, sir.
Sir, unmute
Your audio.
Today's date is 9/7/2021. Hope you have entered the date. Dear students, you all know that in yesterday's class, we were learning an important concept of this chapter. That is factorization of both quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Particularly for quadratic polynomial, we will go for two methods. One is splitting the middle term method. Second one is factor. The factorization of quadratic polynomial was completed and we were focusing on factorization of cubic polynomial, right? Could you tell how many were over? Only one problem was over, correct? See,
Sir, in second one you gave half.
Yes, sir.
okay. I'll continue.
Second
That.
one half.
I'll continue that. Nothing to worry. Listen to me. With respect to first one, we factorize that cubic polynomial by two methods. Is it not? In one method, just we went on following factor theorem. And in second method, we found one zero of the polynomial. After using that, we divided the cubic polynomial. You got the quotient, which is a quadratic polynomial. Then you factorize to get other two factors. Like that, some more methods are there. Just I have taught only two methods. Any one of these two methods can be followed in the examination as well. And the second one, just we had done only bit. Madan HV, sit properly. Sit upright. Go and use full t-shirt. Madan HV. Okay. Dear students, in spite you are learning the concepts from your home. Now, right now, you must feel your home as your school, room, and your attentiveness and your how you are getting ready for the school. So you have to sit in that way only. Don't go for using sleeveless t-shirt. Don't sit on the bunion. It doesn't seem good. Okay, sit neatly. Yes, we were factorizing the cubic polynomial. It is x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the second one. I'll write it again. Factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. I think even you have copied the same statement.
Yes, sir.
Here, as it is a cubic polynomial, first we will go for multiplying first and last term. First term is 1x cube, in that I will take constant 1, and last term is minus 120. Multiply both of them. Please go on writing with me. It is 1 into minus 120. This is equal to minus 120. Next, Prithvi, could you tell what is the next step to be followed? Prithvi?
Factors of minus 120.
Factors
Very
of
good.
120.
Okay, okay. Right with you. Factors of minus 120. 20 factors are there. Let us write few of
Plus or minus 1.
plus or minus 1. Don't tell. Just go on writing it. Plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4 will also come, plus or minus 5 will come, plus or minus 6 will also come, plus or minus 7 won't come. Got it? Even plus or minus 8 and so on. Anyway, you know that every number itself is a factor. Hence I write plus or minus 120. This is the last factor. Now, among these, one of them will be the zero of the polynomial. Let us go for finding that zero of this polynomial. Right. Let the given polynomial is assumed as p of x. Write with me. It is x cube minus 23x squared plus 142x minus 120. We have plenty of factors. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Many are there. So by trial and error method, you have to find out any one zero. I take 1 in place of x.
Plus
Now
1.
this time, please don't write. Just observe. If I write 1 in place of x, let us see what will be the value. Here it is 1 minus 23 1 whole square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. Here 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 into 23 is 23, 142 1 is 142, it is minus 120. Now, minus 120 minus 23 is minus 143. Fahim, let your concentration be here.
It is 0, sir.
Then
0, sir. 143 minus 143.
143. 143 minus 143 get cancelled. You'll get 0.
0.
Then you can take 1 is the zero of the given polynomial. Got it?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
let us go for
X minus 1.
right.
X minus 1.
X minus 1 is the factor of p of x.
With me, p of 1 is equal to 1 whole cube minus 23 into 1 whole square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. Next, this is equal to 1 cube is 1. This is minus 23. 142 ones are 142. Then minus 120. It is equal to, right? 142 plus 1 as 143. Minus 23 minus 120 as minus 140. Both get cancelled. It is 0. P of 1 is 0. Nothing but remainder is 0. If this remainder is 0, what is the factor?
X minus
X
1.
minus 1.
Minus
X minus
Yes,
1.
1 is the factor of
Fine.
p of x.
X equal to 1 is the zero of the polynomial. Hence, x minus 1 will be the factor. We have got it by factor theorem. Factor x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. So now we got one factor. Highlight this with the box. Next, for this cubic polynomial, we will be having 3 factors. So let us go for finding the remaining. So to find out remaining, let's go for dividing the given polynomial by x minus 1. Yeah, please write it. Right. It is x minus 1. X minus 1. Yeah, start writing with me. The given polynomial is, Afrin Malika, are you writing? Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. x cube minus 23x square plus 142 into x minus 120. Afrin, could you tell what should be multiplied with x to get x cube?
X square.
X square. X square.
If you do not know,
X square.
use the working column as well. It is first term is x cube and here first term of the divisor is x. X and x get cancelled, you get x square. That should be written here. Then what is x square into x? It is
X cube.
After you only tell. After Malika, what is x square into minus 1?
X cube.
X square into minus 1. X square ones are.
X
What? Afraid. What is 2 ones are? Wait.
minus x square.
Wait. What is 2 ones are?
2.
5 ones are?
5.
12 ones are?
12.
X ones are?
X.
X square ones are?
X square.
X cube ones are?
X cube.
X cube. So here minus 1 is there. That is why it is minus 1 x cube. Now let us go for
X square, sir.
Sir, X square, sir.
X square, sir.
X square is there. Here minus and this is plus. First term get cancelled. Minus 23x square plus 1
Minus
x square.
22.
Minus 22
Minus
x
22
square.
x square.
Minus 22x square. I'll give chance. Just go and write it. Plus 142x minus 120 as it is. Prajwal SM. Now you tell what should be multiplied or what should be written in the quotient.
Minus 22x.
Minus 22x. See that?
X.
Minus 22 x into x is minus 22 x square. I have told you, if you do not know, use working column. Here first term is minus 22 x square and here the first term of the divisor x will cancel. Minus 22 x, that has been written in. Minus 22 x into minus 1.
Plus 22x.
Plus 22.
Plus 22 x. Now you change the sign. This is plus and this minus. First term get cancelled. 142x.
120x.
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 120x minus 120. Arushi, what should be the quotient?
Sir, you should write
120.
120
Minus
120.
120.
plus 1
Minus.
Plus
120.
120 into x.
Reminder 0, sir.
120
120x.
minus 1.
Minus 120.
Minus 1.
Get the sign. Minus and this is plus. Both get cancelled.
0.
0. Because we know that x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, then the remainder should be 0. Therefore, we have got 0 as the remainder. Now, we should take the quotient and it should be factorized. Let us go for taking the quotient.
Middle
Write with me. The quotient, it is x square minus 22x plus 120. So this can be factorized by splitting the middle term.
Minus 12.
Minus 12 and minus 10.
Sir,
Minus 12 and minus 10, sir.
By the time I ask you the question, in that time you can respond. Multiply first and last term, it will be 120. And the middle term is minus 22. We have to choose the factors such that when you simplify, you should get minus 22. And when you multiply, you must get 120. Vibha, what are those factors? Vibha. Ananya SN,
Yes, sir.
what are the factors?
4 and 2.
4 to the 8, but here we have 120.
Minus 12, minus 10.
Minus
12 and minus 10.
Minus 12.
Minus 12 and
Minus 12 into 10.
minus 12 and minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 12 minus 10 is minus 22. Minus, now 12 tens are 120. Here minus into minus plus. Now let us write x square minus 22x can be split up as minus 12x minus 10x. Minus 12x minus 10x. Then plus 120. This is equal to group them and take the common factor. Arvind,
X.
are you writing?
X is the common factor.
X is the common factor.
X into x minus 12.
Minus 10.
10 into x minus 12. The whole statement x minus 12 is common factor. Remaining x minus 10. So therefore, the factorization of the given polynomial, nothing but P of it is the first factor is x minus 1, second factor is x minus 12, third factor is x minus 10. Therefore, factorization will be x minus 1 into x minus 12 into x minus 10. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let me go for taking another one. Right, again. Third one. And wait. For this one, have you put double star mark? So yes,
No, sir.
now you
No, sir.
put double star mark. Important one will be given in the examination. Even third one is also important one. Wait, factorize.
Sir, don't rub last step.
Okay, what problem you are facing? Okay, right. Factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Please go on. First problem. The first one, you just check that. I think it was x cube
Sir,
minus
worksheet.
2x square.
Sir, worksheet given.
It was given in the worksheet only. Have you copied
Yes, sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Gagandeep, you tell what is the first step? First step to be followed to factorize. Gagandeep, MV. Rohan, RL. Tell the first step. Rohan, Niharika. What is the first step?
1 into minus 5.
We
is
should
equals to
multiply
minus
first
5.
and last term, sir.
How much? What it will? What will be the product?
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Very good. Minus 5. Here, first one, last coefficient is minus 5. So 1 into minus 5, which is equal to minus 5. Then Prithviraj, Abhinandan, you tell. What is the next step? Abhinandan.
Factors of -5.
Abhinandan, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tanush, no? Tanusha.
Sir, factors of 5.
Once you tell.
Factors of 5.
Very good. Factors of -5. Factors of -5. You only tell, Tanush. What are the factors of -5? Means from what all the numbers it can be divided?
+1, -1.
Very good. +1, -1. Then.
+2, -2.
No. How
So
can
Sir,
it be divided?
only 1 and 5.
Plus or
only
minus
1 and 5.
-5.
Only 1 and
1
5.
and 5.
Minus plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 5.
5.
So we have 4 factors. Among these, let us go for taking one factor, which is a
Minus
divisor
1.
of this.
Sir, -1, sir.
-1.
-1.
Enough. +1 baralva?
No, sir.
No. Let's go for checking. Babel, what are you doing? Babel. Just observe it. Let's go for checking it. I take 1 in place of x. Here 1 cube is 1. Here 1 square is 1. 1 into -3, -3.
3.
-9 into
Minus
1,
9.
-9, -5. So it is not equal to 0. And by trial and
-1.
error method. Let's go for taking -1. -1 whole cube is -1.
-1.
Here -1 whole square is +1. 1 into -3, -3.
-3.
-9 into -1 is
9 +9.
then
+9.
is -5.
-5.
-5, -3, -1 is -9. Wait. -9 is 0. So
0.
-1 is the 0 of this
0 of the
polynomial.
polynomial.
Deal Babel? Did you understand? Okay. Samarth MV, did you understand? If you really have understood correctly, then you can show like this, or else in this way.
Okay, listen carefully. Listen carefully, children. When sir is explaining, don't give your voice to him. Okay, first listen carefully. When you are giving a voice with Raju sir, so some students, they are not possible to listen carefully. So you are disturbing others. First listen and observe carefully. It is my request. And don't turn on your, don't unmute your audio. Please keep on muting. Clear? Okay, sir. Continue, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. Let P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x 5. Substitute -1 in place of x. That's equal to here -1 whole cube minus 3 into -1 whole square minus 9 into -1 then -1. Simplify this. -1 whole cube is -1. -1 whole square is +1. +1 into -3, -3. Here minus into minus plus, 9 ones are 9, then -1. This will be equal to 0. -1 equal to 0, which is nothing but remainder. Chetan,
X minus
what is the factor? Tell the factor.
X plus 1.
X plus 1. Very good.
+1.
By remainder theorem. Sorry. By factor theorem. By factor theorem. Right. X plus 1 is a factor of P of x. Nothing but given polynomial. So from this x plus 1, we should start dividing the given cubic polynomial.
X plus 5.
On. Okay. Right.
Sir,
X square
answer
minus
x square
4x.
X
plus
plus
x
1
minus
from this. Let us divide the polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Please do remember, if it is not in standard form, you must write that in standard form. Then you can continue to divide. That's Jay. Are you writing? Siddesh, are you writing? Okay. Let's start dividing. Here we have to take x square because x into x square is x cube. So x square into x is x cube, then x square ones are x square. Let us change the sign. Don't adjust the sign here. You have to leave one line for writing the sign. The beginning only I told you. This is minus, this is minus. X cube term get cancelled. Minus 3x square minus 1x square is minus 4x square. Carry down the remaining terms. They are minus 9x and minus 5.
minus 4x.
Multiplied. Minus 4x into x minus 4x square minus 4x into 1 minus 4x. Change the sign. This is plus and is plus. First term get cancelled. Minus 9x plus 4x minus 5x. Carry down minus 5. Renuka, what we have to multiply with x to get minus 5x? Renuka, my.
Sir, minus 5.
Minus 5. Very good. Minus 5. Minus 5 into x. Minus 5x.
Remaining
Minus
is
5
0.
into 1. Again, here
Cancels.
also change the sign.
Sir,
First
both
one,
cancel. Sir, both will
remainder is
cancel.
0.
0.
Next. Take the quotient. Well, quotient is x square minus 4x minus 5. Now, it should be factorized by splitting the middle term.
Minus 5 and 1.
Wait.
Minus 5.
I'll give chance. Lakshmi Shri, hello. Middle term
Sir,
is
minus-
4. I want the factors.
Sir, minus 5 and 1.
Minus 5 and plus 1.
And 1.
Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 2. Right. Here x square minus 4x can be written as minus 5x plus 1x and remaining constant minus 5. Mohita, what is the common factor in first two terms?
X.
X.
Mohita, x is common factor. Remaining terms.
X minus 5.
X minus
Okay.
5.
X minus 5, x into x square, x into minus 5, minus 5x.
1, sir, here.
1.
X plus
1 common factor.
1, sir.
One is the common factor, x minus, it's equal
X
to
minus
x minus
5
5 into
X minus
x
5,
plus
X plus 1.
1.
Still, if you want to give justification, you know, before writing the conclusion, just I'll write one statement. Please stop writing and observe. You all know that P of x is equal to, observe, G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to g of x. G of x is g of x
X
is
plus
X
1.
plus 1.
x plus 1. Q of x, x square
X
minus
square
4x
minus
X
minus 5
square minus
4x
4x
minus 5.
X
minus 5.
minus
has
5
been
into x plus
factorized
1.
as x minus 5 into x plus 1. X minus 5
Plus
into
0.
x plus 1
Plus 0.
1.
plus r of x remainder. What is remainder?
0.
0.
0.
When 0 is added to any number, you all know that you get the
Same
Number
number.
itself.
Number itself.
therefore p of x is equal to nothing but factorization of the given polynomial is x plus 1 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. Here x plus 1 is
Sir,
repeated
in
by
the answer, x plus 1 and x plus 1 2 times is there.
yeah, even it may be. There may be equal zeros also.
Okay,
You
sir.
can also write it as x plus 1 whole square into x minus 1. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Next, one more is there. After solving one more, then we will move on to exercise. Right, fourth one. This is also important. Right, fourth one. This has been given in terms of y. Y null particular. Right. Factorize 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1.
Multiply first and last term.
Yes, yes.
Minus 2, sir.
Minus 2,
Correct,
sir.
correct. You are very familiar. Sanjana SL, your both hands should be on your table. I've been noticing that one hand will be on your head and one will be on the notebook. It should not be done. Both hands should be there on your table. Be circulating correctly. Yes, go on writing.
Sir,
Yes.
it can also be done in another method, sir.
Once you tell.
It can also be done in another method.
Definitely. We can. I told you more than 2 methods are also there. So chance of getting confusion. That is why just I have taught only 2 methods.
Plus 1 we can take.
Y square as common.
First constant is 2, last one is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus.
Minus 2. Factor is plus or minus 1.
Very good. Factor
And plus of
Plus or minus 2.
Plus or minus 1 and plus or minus
plus
2.
of minus 2.
plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು plus 1 minus 2 ಅಂದು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Both are same only. You know, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Like this.
P of 1 0, sir.
Which one?
P of 1.
P of 1. ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Sir, minus 1.
1
Yes, sir.
cube is
Sir, it will come, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. 1 square is 1. Here, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Who told that?
Daksh.
That's let P of y. Here, don't write P of x. It is given in terms of y. So P of y is equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now substitute 1 in place of y. This is equal to 2 into 1 whole cube plus here y square 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. It's equal to 1 cube is 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 square is 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, then minus 1 as it is. 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. Nothing but remainder is 0. Sanjana yourself.
X minus 1.
Wait. I'm giving chance to some students. Let them tell. Sanjana, if remainder is 0, nothing but P of 1 is, what is the factor?
X minus 1, sir.
X minus 1. P of plus 1 is there. Therefore, X minus 1 is a factor. Right. By factor theorem, X minus 1 is
Sir, Y minus 1.
Sir, Y minus 1.
Y minus 1, sir.
Y minus 1 is a factor of P of X or Y? P of Y. Now, you will start dividing the cubic polynomial by Y minus.
So quotient is 2y square plus 3y plus 1.
Quotient 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Y. Correct. Let me write that here. It is y minus 1. From this, we are going to divide 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now, with y, you can multiply 2y square. So 2y square into y, 2y cube, 2y square into minus 1, minus 2y square. Now you may change the sign. This is minus and is plus. First term get cancelled. 1y square plus 2y square. This is 3y square.
3y square.
Minus 2y minus 1. Next, in quotient, we can write 3y. 3y into 3y square. 3y into minus 1 minus 3y. Again, change the sign. This is minus and this plus. Both get cancelled. Here, minus 2y plus 3y is 1y. Carry down minus 1. Now, what should be on the quotient?
Plus
1.
1.
Plus 1.
1 into y is y. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Change the sign. Minus plus. Both get cancelled. The remainder is 0.
Y plus 1 and 2y plus 1.
Oh. Right. Now we got the remainder as 0. Now we will go for taking the quotient. Right. Take the quotient and go for factorizing. 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Split.
2 and 1.
1 is 2.
2
And the
and
middle
2 and 1.
So 2 and 1.
Very good. 2 and 1 only. Here 2y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 1. Group by taking two terms and go for taking common factor.
2y common factor.
Group 2y is common factor. Y plus 1.
Y plus 1.
The next 1 is common factor. It is y plus 1. In the whole statement, y plus 1 is common factor. Remaining 2y plus 1. Then after this, again for your reference, I have been writing. It is P of x is equal to
P
G
of
of
Y.
x into Q of
P of
x
y is
P of y.
plus R of x. Now, it is equal to G of y is, it is y minus 1, nothing but divisor. And quotient is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. And the remainder 0. You may write it directly, just only for making you to understand clearly. I am writing this. And another one is, if you write in this way, nobody can cut any mark, even half marks cannot be cut. Right, y minus 1. We have factorized 2y plus 3y plus 1. It is y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. So this is the factorization of P of X.
P of y.
P of y, sir.
Because we have practiced writing the variable x always. Over up. Solving finished. Okay. Then we shall move on to exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. Before going to this exercise, just one information regarding factorization of cubic polynomial. So this is to be asked for 3 marks. 3 marks. Please do practice as good as possible, and it is one of the expected question also for the examination point of view. In your school test or midterm examination or practice examination, definitely this one will be given. Kulambi, Shreyas Kulambi. Do you know why this problem is, this factor polynomial is much important? One thing is, there you'll go for finding the zero of any one zero of the polynomial. Got it? Second thing, there you go for using factor theorem. Third thing, you go for dividing a polynomial from the obtained factor. And fourth one is, yes, splitting the middle. In one question only, we can test these 4 skills. Skill of finding the zero, skill of finding the factor, skill of dividing, skill of splitting the middle term. One day question only ishtu skills na now test madbo. So that is why it is one of the most important. Definitely it will be given in the test and examination. So it is cent% question. Even if I conduct test also, I must give. If I conduct preparatories, I must give one such statement. Please do remember this.
Oh.
By the time exam will be approaching, you will be able to guess minimum of 50 marks out of 80 marks. Oh, these are the questions will be given in the examination. If and only if when you follow us properly. Right. Exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. First, determine which of the following polynomials, which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. X plus 1. Dear students, you know that if it is to be a factor, on substituting, what should be the value of the polynomial?
0.
Zero.
Let's go for taking one line. In that first one, it is x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1.
It will not come.
Oh, very good. Right.
We should try now.
Solution. Sorry.
-1.
Verification. You are not going to find out the solution. You are going to verify. You are going to check whether x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Right. X plus 1 is the given factor and its 0 should be found out. It becomes x equal to -1. Then assume the given polynomial as p of x, which is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and substitute -1 in place of p of -1. So -1 whole cube plus of -1 whole square plus minus plus 1. -1 whole cube is -1. -1 whole square is +1. Plus into -1 is -1.
One reminder.
What do you think? Is it 0 or not?
No, sir.
0, sir.
Yes, sir.
+1 plus
Yes, sir.
2.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir, it is 0.
+1 -1 -2.
0.
P of -1 is equal to 0, which means remainder P of -1 is nothing but remainder. Remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, according to factor theorem, what do you say? X minus 1 is the factor.
X minus 1 is
Is the
the
factor of
Right. Remainder is 0
x plus 1.
by factor theorem. By factor theorem, right. Plus 1 is a factor of P of x. Already we have solved the problems like this. Now I'm moving to second one. It is x raised to the power 4 x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Same type. Right. Verification. The given factor is x plus 1. It should be equated to 0 and x is -1. Assume the given polynomial as p of x, which is equal to x raised to the power 4 plus
no,
x
sir.
cube
It is
plus
not a
x square.
factor.
It is not a factor. Not a factor, sir.
Yes, yes. You are right. P of -1.
One answer.
Wait. -1 whole raised to the power 4 plus of -1 whole cube plus of -1 whole square plus of -1 plus 1. Right, quickly. It's equal to -1 whole raised to the power 4 is plus 1 plus 1 -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. You'll get 1. P of -1 is equal to 1. Is it equal to 0?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
So remainder is not equal to 0. If remainder is not equal to 0, again by factor theorem, you can say that x plus 1 is factor of p of x or not?
No,
What
sir.
do you think?
No.
No. Yes. X plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Prashant, have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, did you call my name? Raju sir,
Yes, sir.
did you call my name?
No. Not Prashant. Prashast, sir.
Oh.
Prashast.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Sorry, sir.
That one also not factor, sir.
Who is that? I think Nalpet or Chaitanya, sir.
Sir, it will come -1 answer.
Root 3.
Theta SR, sir.
Wait. I have not written no third one. Right. Third subject. It is over 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now let's go for checking whether it is a factor or not. Right. Verification. Write the given factor. It is x plus 1. Equate that to 0 and find x. X is minus 1. Write the given polynomial as p of x. It is x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Substitute minus 1 in place of x. So p of minus 1, minus 1 whole raised to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 10 plus 4 is equal to minus 1 whole raised to the power 4 is plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 into 3 is minus. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 1 into 3, 3. Then plus into minus 1 is.
Sir, answer 1.
Minus
That's 1.
3 minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Remaining 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 1, which is a remainder. Remainder is equal to 1. Is it equal to 0?
Not equal to 0.
No.
Equal to 0.
R is not equal
By
to 0.
factor theorem.
X plus 1 is not factor.
Yes. By factor theorem, x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Now let me go for taking fourth sub-question. This is the
Fourth one is not the factor of 4. Is not the factor of 0.
who is this? Tell your name. He's so excited. Yes, please tell your name. Tell your
Chetan
name.
SR.
Huh?
Chetan SR.
Chetan sir, very good. Active boy.
Answer will come 2 root 2.
I think Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is very familiar to everybody. Everybody is able to identify. Okay, good voice. Right, fourth one. Fourth sub question is x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Please put double star mark for this. Chance of asking this in the examination.
Sir,
Verification.
sir, this problem is over, sir.
Yes, of course, in worked examples only, I have done it. But again, I have taken this because it is one of the important among those what we have solved. Right. X plus 1 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, then, right, let is equal to x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Substitute minus 1 in place of x. It is minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus of 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. It's equal to minus 1 whole square is plus 1.
Minus 1.
Into minus is minus 1. And this is minus into minus plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Minus 1 is minus 2, then plus 2 plus 1 time root 2, 1 time root 2, 2 times root 2. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. It is 2 times root 2, which is remainder. This remainder is not equal to 0. So by factor theorem, you can write x plus 1. Is it factor or not?
No, sir.
Not a factor.
No, sir.
Not a
Not
factor
a
of
factor.
P of x. It's not a factor of P of x. Moving to second way. Exercise 2.4 only. Second way. This is use the factor theorem to determine the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. Whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. In each of the following cases. In that first one. First one, right. P of x is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 1. And g of x is equal to x plus 1. In the previous main, whatever we have followed, here say, just listen to me. Write it afterwards. Prashast, write it later. Listen. Nalpate. Okay. Go to this. The statement is, use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. The following cases. According to factor theorem, you can say x minus a is a factor if and only if
Remainder is equal to 0.
Remainder is 0.
Right? So in this case, we have to find out remainder. How do you go for finding the remainder? Whether you follow remainder theorem,
Remainder theorem.
remainder actually
Remainder theorem.
Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem.
Or division.
division, but among these two, remainder theorem will be easier. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's go for finding the remainder. Right. You are going to check whether it is a factor. Again, you must write verification.
Remainder is 0.
Wait. G of x is x plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal. Right. P of x is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 1. Substitute minus 1 in place of x. So 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus of minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. This is equal to whole cube is minus 1 into 2, it is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Here minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2. Then minus 1. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled.
0.
I've got 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes. P of minus 1 is 0, which is nothing but remainder. Remainder is equal to 0. So according to factor theorem, if remainder is
X
0,
plus 1.
x minus a is a factor of p of x. Here you can say x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. By factor theorem, x plus 1 is a factor of P of X Dear students, just one information. If you are having the textbook, just go through it before coming to the class. Because I've been noticing that some students, they are keep on solving the problems given in exercise 2.4. By the time, what happens in between, I'll be giving you the information, you will miss that information. That's why you should move hand in hand. You don't go for solving it in prayer. Munchene ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Next, second sub question. Second sub question. You just put single star mark. Right. Second one is P of X is equal to X cube plus 3X square plus 3X plus 1, where G of X is X plus 2. Start writing. Right. Verification. G of X is X plus 2. Find out its 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. They are given P of X. No need to write let. P of X is equal to 3X square.
Not a factor, sir.
9.
It is not a factor.
Wait. Minus 2
Answer 9.
minus 2 whole cube. 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Prithvi, what is minus 2 whole cube?
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Giridhar, simplify this term and tell. Tell quickly.
3 minus 4. 3 minus 4.
Plus 12.
12 plus
12. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 3 is 12. And this is 3 into minus 2.
minus 6.
Minus 6.
Plus 1.
Minus one.
Answer is minus 1.
Minus
9.
Minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14.
Minus 14.
Minus 6.
1 plus 1 is 13.
Minus 13.
Minus
1 answer.
1.
Minus 2. Sorry. Minus 2 is minus 1. Where remainder is not equal to 0. According to factor theorem. By factor theorem, you can say X plus 2 is not the factor of P of X. Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, just you can show the symbol. Arvind B. Dodagaudar. Tanush. Okay. Tanush, listen to me. When you attend the next class, when you are attending the next class, so soon after opening the link, please enter your name. I think it may be your father's name, right? Then who? It's okay. Okay, let it.
Brother's name.
Okay. Now, right. Third sub question. Is, and for this also put star mark, single star. It is P of X is equal to q minus 4x square plus x plus 6. And g of x is x minus 3. Right. Verification. G of x is x minus.
It is a factor.
Zero.
It's a factor, sir.
It's a factor.
Correct. Right. Given P of x is q minus 4 into x square plus x plus 6. Substitute 3 in place of x. P of 3 is equal to
Remainder is 0, sir.
whole cube. Wait. Minus 4 into 3 whole square plus 3 plus 6. Minus 3 whole cube. Wait. Giridhar?
Yes, sir.
Tell what is the value of 3 whole cube?
27.
27, sir.
Lekha? What's the value of 3 cube?
Sir, 27.
27. Simplify in 10 seconds.
Sir, 9.
Minus 36.
Minus 36. Dhanush, simplify and tell the next.
Plus 9.
Plus 9.
Plus 9.
Plus 9. Okay. Dhanush, what is 27 plus 9? Let him tell. Calculation is enough.
36.
ಮತ್ತೆ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು?
36. Plus 36.
36. 36 minus 36. That's equal to 0.
10.
P of 3 equal to 0, which means remainder is equal to 0.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I got minus 9 plus 9 and I cancel.
Minus 9, bro.
Minus 3.
I got minus 9 and plus 9.
You got
Sir, minus 36 plus
27 minus 36 is minus 9. Then plus 9. Then also it is same. No? Remainder will be 0. Right. By factor theorem. Factor theorem.
X minus 3 is a factor.
X minus 3.
Minus 3 is a
Factor of P of x.
P of x. So now we are moving to third main. Third main is very important and definitely one will be given in the examination for 1 mark. So for this main only, you have to put 3 star marks. So third main, put 3 star marks. Right. 3 stars. It is find the value of k. Find the value of k. Put comma. If x minus 1 is a factor of x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. What will be the remainder? What will
0.
be the remainder?
0.
0.
Chandana, you are not concentrating here.
0. 0.
0.
0, sir.
Wait. Chandana, you are not concentrating. They are given that x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Then remainder will be 0.
0.
Remainder 0. Wait. P of x in each of the following cases. In each of the following cases. Yes, in that first First one is x square plus x plus k. P of x, right? P of x to x square plus x plus k. Just listen to. Already we have solved this type problem. So now just we are moving to solve the problems given in this exercise.
K is equal to minus
Minus
K is equals to -2.
-2, sir.
okay, okay.
K is equal to minus
Polynomial. And they are given x minus 1 is a factor of this. As it is a factor, therefore remainder will be 0.
0.
So right. The factor is x minus 1 equal that to 0. Chandra, are right with me? I've been telling you so many times. Right. X equal to 1. Then P of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. Then substitute 1 in place of x. P of 1 is equal to 1 whole square plus 1 plus k. It is 2 plus k because 1 square is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. It is 2 plus
0.
k, which is remainder r equal to 2 plus.
By factor theorem.
They would have given that x minus 1 is a factor. So how do you write according to factor theorem?
0 is equal to 2 plus k.
is equal to
R equals to 2 plus
According to
K.
factor
plus k
theorem,
is equals to 0.
remainder is
R equal to 0.
where remainder is 2 plus k,
Plus k
equal to
is equals
0,
to 0.
k
K is
equal
equals to
to
-2.
minus 2.
-2.
Therefore, the value of k is minus 2. Now you may stop writing and listen to me carefully. Dear students, if this question is asked in the examination for 2 marks, you need to follow these steps only. If you follow forward, then only you will get full marks. That is 2 marks. But how the 2 marks will be allotted? Just I'll give you that information. Okay. For first one, finding the 0, half. And finding the remainder, half marks. Next, for
By
using
remainder
the factor theorem, half marks. At last, you'll find the value of k, half marks, like this. 2 marks will be distributed. And if you want to give bit more information, here you can write r is equal to 2 plus k. This has been taken as remainder because
Remainder.
if you write this much information, nobody can cut any mark. Your paper may be evaluated by any mathematics teachers. They must give full marks. Got it? These are the steps to be followed. But if it is given for 1 mark, will you follow these steps to get the answer?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
1 mark.
No,
Wait.
no, no.
If it is given for 1 mark, saving time is very important.
Yes.
That you must remember. For 1 mark, just I'll write P of x is equal to x square plus x plus k is to be. Then they have given x minus 1 is the factor, right? So x minus 1 is a factor, then 0 will be 1.
One
That is
only.
x equal to 1. All right. 1 whole square plus 1 plus k equal to 0. 1 square is 1 plus 1, 2. Transfer 2 to the right.
Yes,
K is minus. That's for 1 mark. Stay for the rest. We can give 1 mark if will they give, sorry, will they allot if it is given for 1 mark, either you should get, sorry, if it is given in MCQ, either you should get full marks or you should get 0, that option. But in test, if it is given for 1 mark, marks will be distributed as half. Half marks for first 2 steps, half marks, and for final value, half. Because you know that according to factor theorem, this has been taken as 0. That is why it is half marks. And substituting and simplifying, it is half mark. Even in yesterday's performance test also, some questions were given. There, if you use your skill properly to save the time, then only you will be able to attempt everything correctly. I have asked you to find out the factors. Some students, they went on multiplying the factors in each case. It's a waste of time. One minute. Time saving method here. Just observe. Suppose x plus 2 and x plus 3 is a factor of some polynomial 1, 2, 3, 4 in the option pattern. How do you go for identifying?
First simplify question, sir.
Simplify.
Very simple.
Options.
Simplify. You no need to go for checking these directly. See now, here x into x square, here 2x, 3x, 5x, 2, 3, 6, x square plus 5x plus 6. Now there was option here. See that we did that within 6 seconds. For attempting this, 6 seconds, at most 15 to 20 seconds are enough. It takes around 6 to 7 minutes. Here, only seconds are enough. Like this, you have to use your skill. The purpose of conducting online performance test is to make the student to have the skill of calculation, to make the calculation quick as possible, and to save the time, and to practice shortcut method. And ultimately, all these will be useful for final examination, again to save the time. Okay. Even some of you have performed very well. Yesterday only I had sent the result sheet. Some students have got full marks also. Today I am going to give you the top 10 students. Top 10 students. Top 10 means particularly the last 3 marks, 20 marks, 19 marks, and 18 marks. Those who have got these marks, their list will be announced. Now we are moving to.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how to solve when it is k square, sir?
Oh, I'm going to take. Yes. We will solve that also. Nothing to worry. Second one. Right. P of x is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2.
K is -2 minus root 2.
K is
-2.
-2 minus root 2.
Did you get two values? I think Jacknor.
Yes, sir.
Jacknor.
Yes, sir.
How did you say? How do you want to say that it has 2 values?
K is -2 minus root 2, sir. -2 minus root 2.
-2 of root 2, sir.
I tell that clearly. What is the value of k?
-2 minus root 2.
-2?
Minus root 2.
Sir, -2 root 2, sir.
Sir, multiplied by root 2.
-2 into root 2. This is a?
No, sir.
No,
Two
sir.
plus root 2.
-2 minus root 2.
Enough, enough, enough.
-2 plus root 2. Minus.
I'll ask. Anvekar, you tell.
Sir is telling -2 into minus root 2.
-2 into
Minus root 2. -2 minus root 2.
-2 minus root 2, sir.
Yes, sir. -2 minus root 2.
Okay,
-2 plus root 2.
let it be. Why? X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Then p of x is equal to enough. 2 into 1 whole plus k into 1 plus root 2. It is 2 plus k plus root 2. It is, this is only remainder. By factor theorem, it is remainder is 0. 2 plus k plus root 2 equal to 0. Then k is equal to -2 minus root 2. This is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is what I
Yes,
was.
sir. This is only I got.
You can also write this as minus of 2 plus root. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen.
Sir, excuse me.
Now it is time up. I'm going to stop that. Just listen to me. What just information? Go through this statement. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Again, now face it. Here I put n circle for of. It is one of the word used in multiplication. It belongs to one of the parts of speech. Could you tell what is that?
Prepositions.
Preposition.
Preposition. Right?
Yes, sir.
Student, could you tell how many parts of speech are there?
8.
8
parts of
Wait. 8. They are. One is
Noun.
second one is
Pronoun.
Pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction, interjection.
Prachit, let others listen. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, and interjection. Right? These are 8. Just to recall that. Among these, which is connect the two sentences among these 8 parts of speech?
Conjunction.
Okay. So this is enough. Anyway, I'm going to conclude the class. Lakshmi, still are you writing? Students, yesterday's result sheet, its toppers list will be announced today only, and today in the group I'll announce that. And second thing, on Sunday you have weekly test. For weekly test, I'll consider this chapter only. As I said, it is one of the lengthy chapter, so that it takes some more time for solving all the problems. And biology. So yesterday I met with biology madam, and she will take from next week onwards. Friday and Saturday, these 2 days for biology only. And first 4 days, myself only will take. Yes, with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.